Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the quickest interface, your router's web panel or the carrier app. Log in with your account details. If you lack them, use the router's reset label or carrier recovery tools. Once logged in, navigate straight to status, traffic, or usage sections. Make sure to choose the right WAN or mobile interface. Some panels list multiple connections. This is the first actionable step because it gives immediate meter readings and timestamps, so you can compare current use with expectations. Once done viewing the summary, drill down to per device or per application details to find heavy consumers. Use filters or the client list to map IPs to devices, and note bytes transferred and % of total for each. If the interface supports export, download CSV or enable SNMP/SFlow for longer-term analysis. That helps when you need to correlate spikes with activities. Make sure to set the correct time range, day, week, or billing cycle, so totals match your ISB statements. To finish, reconcile the router or app totals with your ISB or carrier bill. Billing cycles often start on odd days, so align ranges. If a device is consuming too much data, apply limits, schedule large updates for off-peak, or use co-S throttles. Once these controls are in place, monitor for 24-48 hours to confirm improvement. If the numbers still don't add up, reboot the router, capture recent logs, and contact your ISB with timestamps and exported data for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.